Hello everyone at the Concrete Decor channel. Today I want to show you how I created this impressive Wabi-Sabi vase with antique, almost ancient Egyptian vibe. On my channel you can always find videos about making different vases and pots from concrete. I also share tips on composition and decoration, so be sure to subscribe. Let's get started. As always, I begin by creating a detail mold. You'll need a balloon, a stand, I use a piece of pipe, tape, scissors, and perforated plastic tape. First, I tape the balloon to the base. Initially, I planned a spherical shape, but I decided on an ellipsoid instead. So I add to the balloon a bit of food rope. The Wabi-Sabi aesthetic embraces imperfection, so a little sloppiness is okay. However, if you prefer a perfect vase, you'll need to be meticulous. Next, I reinforce the mold with this perforated plastic tape to prevent concrete leakage and an extra strength. This ensures the vase will last a long time. For this vase, I experimented with a new concrete mass. It's sand, cement, water, granulated cellulose, and white glue. First, I apply the concrete mixture to the entire mold except for the stand. There is no need to put on the concrete perfectly at this stage, just ensure there are no empty spaces. The concrete is heavy, so balance it on the balloon to avoid tilting. Once applied, let the mold dry for 24 hours. After drying, I remove the balloon and any remaining plastic. I also cut on any exposed tape. To form the bottom of the vase, I cover my table with food rope and apply concrete mixture in the approximate diameter of the bottom. I then place the vase on this base and attach them. It's crucial not to move the vase to prevent cracks during drying. I smooth out any imperfections inside and outside the vase. And let it dry for another 24 hours. Once it is dry, you can polish it with sandpaper and proceed to decoration. I decided to extend the beginning of the vase. For decoration, I use the same concrete mixture mixed with black and yellow dyes I found online. Decorating the vase is a creative process. You can endlessly change, add, or remove textures and play with pigments and colors. I aim to achieve an antiquated look by applying dyes and then washing them off to create a layered effect. First, I applied pigment mixed with cement to get a pattern and texture on the vase. Next, I mixed white glue, water, and pigment to create an acrylic paint, which I used to color the vase inside and outside. For an extra touch, I added gold pigment and white gouache. After letting it dry for 30 minutes, I washed it off with water. Finally, I dry brushed the entire surface with acrylic paint in the shade of sienna and added a little white paint. I then mixed white glue with acrylic paint and sienna to create a bronze overlay, applying it to certain areas and washing it down slightly. Voila! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.